For the question 1, we can see the smallest amount purchase cost. So we click here, then we put equal min, then bracket, then we put from table purchase cost. And then for the largest amount of selling price, we just put formula equal max in bracket table selling price. Next, for total amount of selling price of all product, we put formula equal sum and table selling price. Next, for number of bicycle inventory, we put equal count and we put from table ID. Next, for average inventory on hand, we put equal average and table quantity on hand. Next, number of purchase cost less than 100. We put the formula equal count if and table purchase cost, and we put below than 100, so it will get 8. And then the number of supply bicycle for children, we put equal count if in bracket and the table product category, we choose this and put comma and children, so we get 4. For B question, we take all the data from the selling price and then we put equal if in bracket the data, if the data is more than 150, it will be expensive, and if it lower than 150, it will be cheaper. Next, for question C, we just put this VLOOKUP formula and we just click the table from the above and we put the 20 here. Automatically it will give the product category, the product name, and the supplier. And also we must put the number after the formula. For the first, we put 2. For the second, we put 3, and this we put 6. For question 2, as we can see, if we want to make a pivot table, we just click everywhere in the table and click insert and click pivot table, and we click OK. Then we can choose anything from the data in the table. At the end, we can get the data like this. We can see the row labels of some quantity on hand for children, hybrid, leisure, and road. And for the pivot table, for the pivot chart, we just click on the insert and click pivot chart, and we can choose anything kind of chart from the selected chart, and just click and put here. So the data from the pivot table will be seen in the pivot chart. That's all.
Okay, this is how to calculate mean. First, to calculate mean, the formula is equal average. Then we take purchase cost, which is this E4 until E27, and we will get the answer. For selling price, the formula is the same, equal average, but the difference is selling price. So we take F4 to F27, we will get the answer. Same for variance. The formula is equal to VAR. For purchase cost is E4 to E27, then we get the answer. For selling price is F4 to F27, and we will get the answer. For standard deviation, the formula is equal to ST def, and for purchase cost is E4 to E27, and for selling price is F4 to F27. Okay, for coefficient variation, to get the answer, we have to divide standard deviation and mean, and we will get the answer. Same for selling price, we need to divide standard deviation and mean, then we get the answer. Below is the variable for each coefficient variation, and as you can see here, and below here is the coefficient of skewness and kurtosis for each variable, and here is my comment on the matter. Next question is on how to calculate z-score. Okay, for first, the formula is equal to standardized C34 the z-score, and we have to take our standard deviation and mean, put it in the z-score, and then close the bracket, and we will get the answer. For the outliner, the formula is equal to if in bracket D35 is here, my bad is here, until below, and bigger than 3. If it's less, we put less. Now it's bigger than 3. In yes or no in bracket, and we will get the answer. For the graph, we just simply go to insert and select charts, and we can insert our z-score plot graph. Last question is to use the descriptive statistical tool to summarize our work. Okay, first we go to data, then we click data analysis here, and we choose descriptive statistic, and we make sure to click all of this box. And for the input range, we can put is, yeah, let's say we need purchase cost. Okay, take here until here, and we press OK, and it will come out like this. Same as selling price. The difference is we take from selling price here until here, and press OK, and we will get this box, this kind of box. Okay, that is all from me. Thank you.